Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no.
Alright, so I'm not a glasses person, but I think I'm gonna start wearing glasses. So, yep, good morning, and today's an exciting day. I am hyped up because, guess what? I'm getting a new motor, and I'm not paying for it. I think it's about time I got a deal. We are on our way to go get the Corvette, and we are going to stop at Bill DeLuca's Chevy dealership, and we're gonna drop it off, but unfortunately, I'm not gonna be here to see the progress because obviously tomorrow, today is Friday by the way, tomorrow we leave to go to Punta Cana Hard Rock Hotel. Let's go. Or it's like a kid. So I just got a call from AAA and they're right up the road. Okay, so they're already there. I'm running late. Let's get this started. There she is, there's my baby. Let's get this tarp off her. The season yet? Oh. Still as beautiful as ever. God, I love this fucking car. I just wish it ran. All right. And apparently there's something wrong with this window too. So we're gonna get this fixed. It won't go up. It won't go up. Not co-up. I guess it won't cooperate. So yeah, it won't co-up. So yeah, we're gonna get that fixed. We gotta move these cars out of the way. And hopefully get her back in time to enjoy some of this nice weather that we're having, at least when we get back from Punta Cana. You know, it's the funniest thing. You never realize how lucky you are to have something until you don't have it anymore. And I legit don't have this anymore. You know? I gotta get this thing completely cleaned out. Oh, my poor baby. We're gonna get this party started properly. We're gonna get you a new soul, because right now you're dead. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can get the keys and the registration for her right now. The cars are being cleared out of the way one by one. So hopefully this is a quick process. Drop her off at the dealership, sign some necessary paperwork just for approval to start work on the vehicle, and yeah, this starts the journey to a new block with 0 miles on it. The battery's dead and he's stuck inside the car and he can't get out. So now we have to somehow manage to restart the battery and yeah, get him out so we can get it on the trailer. I couldn't make this up. This is just my luck.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking.
I've never been one of those guys to like watch people work and just not work. It's weird. I always feel like I have to work harder than everybody else for some odd reason. So, we are on our way. And yeah, it feels good to finally get this thing out of here and know that it's actually gonna get repaired. So, we'll never go through that again. Never again. We're gonna see if we can get this completed. Then I'm gonna do my closing statements on this BS. All right. So, that pretty much does it. Dropped off the Corvette. Awesome bunch of guys. They were pretty awesome. Actually, you know what? So big shout out to Samuel Juan, sales consultant. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you his car now. I'm gonna focus on that. There you go. Hit him up if you need any Chevys or car stuff done. They're gonna take care of me. They're gonna go through the appraiser and see what's going on as far as the payment. Yeah, so hopefully we can have the car back on the channel at some point, very soon. Not like 6 months like the Evo, but like very soon. And I'm just hoping for the best at this point. We're actually on our way to go to Target, get some extra stuff for Punta Cana. And I'm excited. Can you tell by my face how excited I am? If you're watching this video for the first time, please consider subscribing because we are very close to our 1,000 subscriber goal. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Combined, I'm going again. I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap.